Hello and welcome. So in this section, we'll be looking more into the network requests that we will be doing into a external website or an external application. Suppose if you have a Node.js application connected to your React, then you will have to sometimes, not sometimes, like all the time, fetch data from a database, and that will be helped using network requests. So it is a very interesting section. I just want you to go to this website, pokeapi.co. Here we'll be working with this particular API, and we'll be making the application. So I just want you to go over here and just read about it. So basically what REST API means is that, we can go to this website, like we can just put a request to this particular link that is over here, including this https pokeapi.co -api -v2 this thing. Yeah, so if we do this thing, it will give us all of the data over here. So it works in this way. So now what we will do over here is that as soon as so basically we would list out all of the Pokemons by using a limit. All right, and after listing out all of the Pokemons, we would also, so if I click Bulbasaur over here, which is the first one as far as I know, yeah, this one over here. So let me write Pokemon 1. So we would open a new page, and over here we can see all of the abilities of it. We can basically will be looking at all of this stuff and basically mapping the data into the front end. All right, so see you all guys in the next video. We will be starting and mapping all of the values that we will be getting from this particular API. So see you all guys over there. Till then, goodbye and take care.